Welcome to Quality. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Central Repository, a powerful feature designed to streamline test cases management across multiple projects by providing a centralized hub where you can create, manage, and reuse test cases. First, let's see how to enable this feature. So you need to be logged as domain admin, and after that, click on Settings. Click on Configurations, Global Configurations, and after that, check this option. Click on Save Configuration and the page will reload. Once it's enabled, go to the Project dropdown and choose the Centralized Repository. You will be redirected to the centralized workspace where only the relevant modules are available. From here, you can create test cases manually, import them from a file, or generate them using artificial intelligence, exactly the same way you would create test cases in a regular project. Let's create a practical example. A great candidate for the central repository is the password recovery test case, since this feature is likely to be the same across multiple projects, for example, both in our case the demo project and also the Gym app project. So let's click on New Test Case. Let's give it a name. Let's add a summary. We can expand the additional details. As you can see, not all the fields are available here. Let's write the steps and the expected result. Let's set the priority to high and click on Save. If you want to add this test case to any project, you can check this one and click on Copy to Project. After that, you choose the project, in this case the Gym app, and click on Copy. Now let's go to Gym app project. And we will see that password recovery test case was added successfully. In the same way, you can choose any or many test cases from here, and you can perform a bulk action to copy to the centralized repository. Test cases were copied now. If we go to the centralized repository again, we will see that we have the 3 test cases, the one created from here and 2 created from a specific project. One of the most powerful aspects of the central repository is that it stays in sync automatically. Any update you make to a test case in the central repository will automatically propagate it to all local projects where the test case is being used. This means you only need to maintain one version of a test case, and every project that uses it will stay always up to date. So no manual copy is needed, and there will not be more outdated duplicates. That's all for this video. I hope you can take advantage of this great feature.